Greetings, this is Dr. Reena Pathak with the Thursday video. Today I'll talk about the different types of seeds of fruits and vegetables. As commonly we know them as seeds, but they have some uncommon names which are attributed to them. Like an avocado, if we see the avocado that is used for salads, for dips, the avocado has a big seed in between, which is called the pit, P-I-T. We have mango, which has a strong solid seed, that's called the stone. We have grapes. Some of the grapes have small seeds. The green grapes or the purple grapes, some of them which are huge in size, they have very small seeds which are called pip, P-I-P. Sunflower, the sunflower, that is the flower that you see, has also seeds. The seeds of the sunflower is called achene, A-C-H-E-N-E. Now we have coffee. Coffee, if you see the plant, it's there, the coffee, and the seed is called the bean, B-E-A-N. Cashew is the covered fruit that is seen on the plant, and the nut is the seed. That's why in spoken language we usually say cashew nut, but actually cashew is the fruit and the nut is the seed. The same corn has the seed which is called the kernel, K-E-R-N-E-L. Rice, the rice that we eat, the small grain, the small part, a single piece of rice is called grain, G-R-A-I-N. And watermelon that we eat, it has got those black, that's called seed, S-E-E-D. I hope this knowledge was new to some of you. If you liked it, do comment and do keep watching for many such videos which can help you to enrich your language. Thank you. Take care.